So.
Okay, Dad. So now you're opening up your Cashback app for the first time. And you do or do not need to send notifications. The cool thing, I think you're fine to say no. No. Okay, and I believe you speak English. There you go. Next. Okay. And this tells you welcome to Cashback World. So you can read this little thing. So just next. So you can find your loyalty merchants. And then those are the shopping points you get to collect and redeem for deals.
And do I sign up now?
You already have a membership, so we're just going to click completed. So you'll get to log in. Okay. We're going to actually, you can get out of that right now, so I can just show you the app will get you in. But if you click, go back into the app. And then just click like the home guy down at the bottom. That icon.
Yes?
That should, let's see if it makes you have to sign in. I guess maybe click the search button. Okay, there you go. So local search, if you just click around that, you can see these are all merchants kind of around here.
Oh, really? So it gets your local merchants.
Yeah, once you log in, you can see the home screen that'll show you a lot. So you can see these are kind of all different. So there's different ones. So online merchants means that you literally, it's just like online shopping. There's the Flixbus, which I use. Now there are merchants, so I can actually get deals. So now like Regal, which is the movie theater, you can actually go, that's a gift card merchant. So things like that.
Come fresh to you. Snapfish. I think we did that for our anniversary.
Yeah, there you go. Now you get 4% back at that one. So everything adds up. And then if you'd like to find local merchants, you're going to click this little filter button. Whoop.
Yes?
And then we're going to go to, just click radius, because that's going to go closer to here. So say only while using app, it's okay if they use. And then our radius, sure, 10 miles. The thing we're going to look for is the cashback card means they're local merchants. So vouchers means they're gift cards, so they're big box. And then, so we're going to select our cashback card and then click apply. And then, look at that. You know those places. That's your dog groomer.
Palm Dental Care.
Yeah. So if you go, let's see, and then an idea, there's the ribs place.
Tells you how far they are.
Yeah. So those are our local cashback merchants. And actually the cool part too.
Look how many.
Yeah.
Success Books. Don't know where that is.
And that's just within 10 miles. So I don't even think Toyota's not even coming up. Though if you click back to the dog place, so click dog, and then click, see if it lets you click, so offers and deals. Oh, you have to be logged in to see it. So there's a bunch of deals. You saw my poster that I made. So about that. So yeah. So you get 2% cash back every time you go. You're going to get that. And the cool thing is if you spend it on the deals, let's say, half off for sprinkles, teeth brushing. So if you pay whatever you pay on, you also get your benefits. So you get 2% back, and then your shopping points is what you get back. And you use the shopping points for more deals. Yeah. So that shows you all that good stuff, and you can bug around the app. Normally, when you click the person icon, that's when your card and your membership number would come up. We'll get you your logins. Though cool, I think so. From this part on the website, so you saw the video under the shop local with the merchants. Do you have an idea more of how it works?
Yeah.
Cool. And once you're logged in, you can buy the digital gift cards. So that's what we use with our big chain stores, and you can do your online shopping. Cool. Well, thank you, Dad. I'm glad that you got signed up for Cashback World like 4 years ago, so now you're finally getting logged in.
Don't I already have points?
Yeah, you should already have some points. So
oh, I know.
When you get logged in, you'll see them. So we'll get you your username and password. Most likely, it's just going to be, you're going to do forgot password, because I'm sure you don't know it.
I do too.
Your cashback password?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
But just a minute,
Okay.
You got me messed up. I'm just trying to write mail.
Okay, cool. Well, we will get my dad logged in. He's getting set up in the Cashback app, so make sure you get set up as well. So, home-based business, it is awesome. Make sure to connect at cashbackteacher.com. Thanks, Dad, and sprinkles.